Welcome, Knowledge Intelligence Business IBP web series. In this particular session, we're going to cover how to create a planning area under IBP Model Configuration Planning Area. So, to perform this, let's look about what are the technical credentials that are required to create this planning area. So here, we'll see the technical planning area name as K01 and the description and the time profile that we are using for this planning area, the time profile that we created in the time profile video, and the from and to planning horizons for this particular planning area. Okay, so for this, let's log on to our IBP Fiori Launchpad and let's click on the modal configuration. Then click on configuration tile to create your planning area. So for any planning area to be created, it's important for us to understand how to create an attribute, then how to create a mass data types, then the time profile. So these are the prerequisites for you to start creating the planning area. So let me click on the configuration. Now on the configuration space, you have to click on planning area and details. And now click on create new to create a new planning area. So here, let's name our planning area name, which is K01, and say OK. And then put the description as K01 followed by planning area. Then this is the time profile. So if you have seen my previous video about the time profile, so we created a time profile which is 29, or we also have given the description as K01. So let's choose that particular K01, and then the storage time profile level is going to be the month, because that is the minimum granularity that you want to use, so please use that. And the offset period, please keep it as 0. And then now it's important for us to choose the planning horizon. So just click on this particular planning horizon. So let me click on that and then list out the details. So this is where you need to provide your information that I shared in the previous Excel, that I want -24 and 24 in this planning area, and then I want -6 quarters and then 6 quarters in future, and then -1 year in the past and 2 years in the future. Okay, and then let's click on OK. So this is the horizon that your planning area will hold technically, and click on OK. And then it is important for us to choose what master data types that we want to assign to this planning area. So for that, we know that we created some kind of a mass data. So I want to filter that particular mass data, what is relevant. So these are the 3 mass data types that we created, where I want to assign this customer and the attributes of customer, product and the attributes of products, and then probably if you want to also work on the customer product, then you can assign the customer product attributes as well. But in this case, I want to only use the customer and product as the attributes of my planning area at this point of time. So my planning area will have a customer and product master data with all the attributes of them are also being extended to my planning area. So once you are done with all this, just click on save. The planning area. Okay, thank you.